Hey everyone, I'm Eva Pierce with Coldwell Banker Realty and I have Donna Romero with Supreme Lending. I asked Donna to go over pretty quickly and tell us and the buyers out there interested, where can you get your down payment money from?
Yep. Okay, when you are buying a home, depending on the type of loan that you get, you will be required to have a down payment.
Most
Now,
cases.
if you're buying a VA or a USDA, which are government loans,
Right.
they don't require a down payment, and that's a discussion for a different day.
Right.
But but if you're going to go with an FHA or conventional financing, you will have to have a down payment, and it's going to be important where that down payment came from. They're going to want to document it.
Right.
So
So the importance, just to kind of underline here,
right,
you might have tons of cash.
right.
When you're buying and you're putting 5, 10, or 20% down payment, you're gonna have to show where the money
Came from.
came from.
Yep.
Okay, that's
So,
the
yep.
most important part of the
The whole transaction.
the whole transaction. Yes.
Most people, if you have it in your savings or your checking account, you can obviously show that's where the money came from. So that's a good place for your down payment. Another thing is your 401k.
Right.
There's also people can take loans from them or they can take money out from them, but you would need to get with your employer or your financial planner or whatever to help you know what's the best way that you can do that. So that's another way you can do it. The other down payment can be from a family member. So your parents,
That's a good
your
one.
brother, your sister, they can gift those funds to you, but they have to state that it is truly a gift and not something that you're going to have to pay back. And keep in mind, and they have to be prepared, that the lender is going to want to see that they have the money for the gift and that it's in their account. So they're going to have to provide a bank
So
statement
it's a
showing they have it.
bank statement with the money, and I believe there is a bank statement after the money have been
Has transferred.
transferred.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
It has
So
to be in the
and they're going
account.
to have to sign a letter saying that it's truly a gift.
Okay.
So that's a way to do it. Another way to get a down payment is there are what's called down payment assistance programs. Sometimes the county, the states have different programs to help first-time home buyers get into their home. That again is a discussion for another day
So you
because
can
it
make
is
a
pretty
different video.
complex, and you'd always want to be able to talk to a lender about that. The other thing right now, it's tax time. So if you've got
Definitely.
a return that you're going to be getting some money back, get that, put it in your bank. That can very easily be used as part of your down payment or your down payment itself. But I do want to go a little bit further on what Eva said about cash. There's a lot of people that like to keep cash in their mattress or they have a safe at home and they tuck cash away, periodically. If that's the case, you want to get that money into the bank because they will not allow you to just get your cash from your bank or get your cash from the safe and put it in your bank account and say it's ready. It has to be there for 2 months.
2 months,
So
60
if you
days.
have cash, get it in the bank, have it there for 2 months because they want to see where it came from.
Do they still have to keep receipts or any kind of documentation
No,
from where
no,
the
you
the
don't.
cash came?
Nope. As
No.
long as it's been there for 2 months, you can show that it's been there 2 months, you're fine. Now, Eva did bring up a question to me earlier where people will sometimes sell gold, or I've had cases where somebody has sold some kind of personal property. That's all fine, but make sure that you have a sales agreement. So if you're going to be selling like gold, then you need to show what was the value of the gold at the time you sold it, and you need to have a receipt showing that you were paid for that gold. They want to know where the money came from, and people don't always understand that, after 9/11, the Patriot Act and all that, and they made laws about money laundering, drug money and all that. So when it comes to cash, they want to know where it came from.
Documentation
You
is
need to
important.
document it. So if you have it, get it in the bank.
Get it in the bank. Put your money in the
Yep.
bank.
Yep.
Well,
All right.
I hope that was helpful. It's a quick video, really not much about it, but again, you go into the assistant payments and so forth. These are the things that you should know. If you have any further questions, reach out to us at any time. Eva Pierce, Coldwell Banker, and Donna Romero, Premier. Oh, sorry, Supreme. I'm talking something else in my mind. Supreme Lending. We are here to help, and please don't hesitate. Reach out at any time. Have a wonderful day, and we'll be back soon.
Yep.